As of this moment, OSPF is running between R4 and R5 using Ethernet 0/0.45. They send hello packets, they discover themselves, and they exchange the databases. I also enabled OSPF on subinterfaces on R4 E0/1.2 and E0/1.3. The reason I enabled that is because I want to advertise subnets 10120 and 10130 towards R5. And I did the same thing on R5. I enabled OSPF on those two subinterfaces in order for them to be advertised towards R4 so that the reachability between those PCs is in place. However, there's no point of sending hello packets. As of right now, we're sending every 10 seconds hello packets out all of those sub-interfaces down here for no reason. There are no OSPF routers to listen to them to be discovered. So how do we prevent that and protect our network or interception of those packets as they are using multicast address 224005? As such, they are forwarded by switches out of all interfaces. So to prevent that from happening, there's a command, a passive interface inside the routing process. This will stop sending hello packets, but it will not disable OSPF on those interfaces. This way, we will still advertise subnets out to the peering router, but we will not be sending hello packets every 10 seconds. As of right now, do debug IP OSPF hello. Let's do this on R4. Oh, sorry, debug. I'm in the privilege command. And so let's just clear the terminal and let's listen to those hello packets and where are they being sent and received from. So let me disable debug in a second. I want to see reception of one of them. Okay, you all, undebug all. So let's see. We are sending hello packets out this sub interface, which is this one here. This sub interface sending hello using this. We received hello packets only from R5 on this sub interface. Right here, right here. So there's no really reason for sending those hello packets, and no one, because there's no one to listen to them anyway. There's no other router to discover at the moment. So how do we prevent the router from sending hello packets but still keeping OSPF on the interface? So the conft, I'll say router OSPF process 1 and passive interface Ethernet on this end is Ethernet 0/1.2 and .4.3. Sorry, there's no 4. So do show run section OSPF. I have enabled command passive interface. That passive interface will stop sending hello, will suppress those hellos from being sent out those interfaces. Do debug IP OSPF hello. And do you all. So now we only send and receive packets on the interface E0045. However, do show IP OSPF interface brief. OSPF is still running on those sub-interfaces here. And obviously the networks, the subnets 10.1.2 and 10.1.3 are still okay. Show IP route OSPF here. We can still see those in the routing table. So to do that on R5, I need to do the similar thing, only change the sub-interfaces conft router OSPF1 and passive hyphen interface Ethernet 02.4 and 2.5. So do debug IP OSPF hello and do you all. And I should be only sending and receiving packets out Ethernet 00.45, which is the case right there. We're not sending packets on any other sub-interface there. Okay, so save and on to the next test, which is going to be influencing the cost of path selection in OSPF. But that's going to be top topic for the next video clip.